hours ago, and we reached our rooms and we directly came to the beach. So let's have fun. We are at the Candlem beach and the sharks are looking extremely pretty as they are lit up, and yes, we are taking all necessary precautions even though there are loads of people having fun. Now we are walking down the market lane which has small shops selling cute knickknacks. Hey guys, welcome back to Sync with Sara, and it is our actual first day in Goa and we're super excited because we're going to explore the city and we have a lot of fun planned. So I've taken a bath but I'm still in my night suit. So now it's time for me to get ready and then I'm going to show you my outfit and we're gonna go have some fun. So stay tuned. So for the first day we are here for dolphin watching, but even though the scenery was very picturesque, we couldn't really see the dolphins properly, obviously because we were at a distance and because there weren't really many dolphins there. But we still enjoyed the ride a lot. Couldn't show you my outfit of the day before, but I'm just wearing some shorts, a normal top and a jewelry, piece of jewelry. That's it. Do not mind my hair, it's quite a mess, but okay. And also we are currently in the Spice Garden. We're gonna roam around and also have lunch here, so let's go. So a guide took us around the Spice Garden and showed us all the trees and spices that we get there, and it was honestly pretty cool to know about all the spices that are grown there. We are now having simple and delicious food that they made with the spices grown here. So we had a very yummy meal, but now it's time. We came to a beach and it's time to have some fun. Oh god, it is so pretty. Let's go. So we had fun at the beach, but we had to come back and take a shower because we were really dirty. But now we are going out for dinner. Hey everybody, good morning. Day 2 in Goa. I don't know what I'll be doing today, but I'm gonna take you guys everywhere with me, so let's go. So there aren't many people in this beach, and I'm guessing because it wasn't commercialized at all, and there aren't many shops or shacks here, but it's still very picturesque. Stop was beach Sinkuram near Fort Aguada, and actually the beach was very clean, the water was very blue, and that is the reason why I loved it. Guys, we visited 2 beaches today, so we decided to come to the mall, so now we're at the mall. Time for dinner, guys. Hey guys, day 3 in Goa, and guess what we are doing? We are gonna do some water sports. So we are now at the Kalangut beach. It is actually very pretty, and we'll definitely be like doing parasailing, banana ride or something. I'm not sure right now. I'll definitely update you guys and show you what I'm doing. So the first ride we did was water scooter, and it was probably one of the easiest ones we did. and it was a lot of fun. The next ride we did was called Banana Ride. So if you already don't know how it works, they take you in a lot of speed in the water and then they tumble you down just like that. Yes, and honestly I didn't enjoy a lot because I was scared for my life. And that is kind of my sister saving her life, and that is me back there kind of struggling with it. But most people enjoy, and both my sisters did, but I didn't. And of course, I had to do parasailing because it is one of the most exciting and fun sports there is. So we were really tired after doing all the sports and stuff, so we had lunch. Yes, I'm crazy, I had waffles for lunch, but now we are roaming around in the marketplaces to buy random stuff. So we stopped at this jewelry store. Will totally recommend you guys going there because they have an amazing collection. We are now at Panjim Seaside for some photo shoots. So that is me at a tattoo place getting a temporary tattoo. So I got my tattoo done on my upper arm because my school reopens in less than a week. That's right, I got a tattoo. It's temporary, chill. But this is kind of my tattoo. I think you've already seen it. It's the word hope. And it's very random, but hope is kind of like my word. I like it and I just decided to get that. And we saw the tattoo place on the first day itself outside the beach, but we weren't sure. But on the last day I was like, I have to get it. If I've come to Goa, I have to. And both my sisters got a tattoo as well, and it was actually kind of cool, and they say it's going to last for like a month, but let's see about that. That is all about the Goa vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed with me because I had a lot of fun in Goa. And also we were sanitizing our hands continuously and we were wearing masks in public the whole time. And if you did really like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe.